Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our breaking news on the latest addition to the BMW Motorrad family, the M XR. I'm Profil, and I'm here to give you an exclusive look at this exciting new release. In 2018, BMW Motorrad introduced its renowned M model range for motorcycles, setting the stage for the development of high-performance machines. The M XR is the third of its kind, following the M1000RR Superbike and the dynamic M1000R Roadster. It's designed to meet the highest demands, from exhilarating country road rides to long-distance touring and even on the racetrack. Let's hear from Dominic Blas, the product manager for the M1000XR, as he gives us some insights into what makes the M XR so special. Dominic Blas: the riding dynamics speak for themselves, both on the country roads as well as on the racetrack and on long-distance journeys. One of the most exciting aspects of the M XR is its powerful engine. It boasts an impressive engine output of 148 kilowatts, 201 horsepower, setting it apart in the long-distance sports bike category. The engine is based on the S1000RR, but with more peak power and higher torque, it offers an unmatched riding experience on country roads and racetracks. Dominic Blas: the new M XR features a modified water-cooled 4-cylinder inline engine based on the power unit of the S1000RR. Its peak power is 148 kilowatts, 201 horsepower, at 12,750 revolutions per minute, 23 kilowatts, 31 horsepower, more than in the new S1000XR. Aerodynamics are crucial for high-speed stability and racetrack performance. The M XR features winglets on the front side panels, designed to enhance lap times and riding stability at high speeds. These winglets generate aerodynamic downforce, increasing the front wheel load at around 100 km per hour by approximately 12 kg. The chassis and suspension of the M XR are adapted for performance-oriented riding on both country roads and racetracks. With dynamic damping control, DDC, adjustable spring base, adjustable steering damper, and more, the M XR offers exceptional handling and control. The M XR is the first BMW motorcycle in its class to feature M brakes. Developed with insights from racing brakes used in the Superbike World Championship, these brakes offer maximum performance for both road and track use. Lightweight forged aluminum wheels come standard, with the option for exclusive M carbon wheels as part of the M competition package. Dominic Blas: after the M1000RR and the M1000R, the new M XR is the third BMW motorcycle to feature an M brake. The M XR comes equipped with an array of advanced technology, from the instrument cluster with a large TFT display to the M GPS lap trigger. Its striking design reflects its performance-oriented nature, with sleek lines, distinctive M winglets, and a striking color scheme. Dominic Blas: M XR. There is currently no better performing and lighter vehicle in this crossover segment. In conclusion, the BMW M XR is a long-distance sports bike that pushes boundaries, combining power, performance, and innovation. It's designed for riders with the highest demands for performance, exclusivity, and individuality. Stay tuned for more updates on this remarkable addition to the BMW Motorrad family. Thank you for joining us today. That's all for our news coverage on the BMW M XR. For more information and the latest updates on this exciting release, be sure to visit our website or follow us on social media. I'm Profil, and until next time, ride safe.